Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an ugly Christmas sweater. Ugly Christmas sweater parties are coming up and I want you to look your best. Hopefully this video can help you find inspiration for what you want to make for your ugly Christmas sweater, or you can follow it step by step and actually make these exact ugly Christmas sweaters. I hope you like it. Please let me know which one was your favorite. And let's get started. So you're gonna need a sweater of your choice. I'm gonna use these two. Some people may say use a sweater you don't want anymore, but honestly, you don't even have to ruin your sweater. All you need is some safety pins so that you won't ruin your sweater with hot glue or anything like that. Just get some safety pins. Let me show you what I found at the dollar store that inspired me to create these sweaters. I got a bunch of cute little boxes. They have so many of these. And I got some light bulb headband and an elf headband, some little pom-poms, and some lights so you can wear it around your neck. Also got a Frosty, and I got an elf. So everything I got was at the dollar store except the tree skirt. So I got a tree skirt and I got this on sale at Lowe's last year for like maybe $3 or $4. I don't remember. But you can also find them in Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. So I'm gonna wear it as a like a poncho type of thing, and I'm gonna fill it with Christmas gifts, and that's gonna be my ugly sweater. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my tree skirt so I can just set it down. This is gonna be my front side, but you can wear it like as a sweater and just wear it that way, but I'm gonna do this front side. I'm gonna grab my little gifts that I got. I'm gonna place them around the tree skirt. Okay, and you can also get some bows to put on top of the boxes. So lay out the boxes wherever you want them. Go ahead and glue the box in whatever place you like. The best part is you need to add a little Christmas hat, and I'm just gonna use a few little clips to pin that on my head. There, perfect! A tree skirt under a Christmas tree. I also added a few little pom-poms to this just to make it look cuter. But just because I made it like right away, like again, this would be like the last minute party that you have to go to. Yeah, you can go to the dollar store and get all this stuff. But again, while you're wearing it, you may want to like adjust some of the glue here and there. Like I definitely need to readjust that, but yeah, I think it's adorable. Now before you tell me I look absolutely ridiculous, let me tell you that there are some ugly Christmas sweater contests out there. And if you want to win a $100 gift card or a new appliance or whatever, you'll make sure you go above and beyond to wear an ugly Christmas sweater. The second one will be the one where I'm going to put my elf. This is the elf. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the head part to place it on the neckline so that it's like as if though you were the elf. You're going to place it on your neck. These little feet can move, so you can make it do whatever you want. That you can use the paper clips if you do not want to ruin it with a glue gun. Make sure you're putting them from the inside, that way the safety pin won't show as much from the outside, and that way you don't ruin any of your good sweaters. Use some little pom-poms that I got at the dollar store as well, and put these around your sweater to make it look even merrier. my legs. Oh, it's so cute. I actually love this one. I think this one is my favorite. You can add lights to it if you want. Actually, yes. So these are the light up LED necklace that I got at the dollar store. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear that. And the last one we are going to make is a Frosty. All you have to do is put them in the middle and it looks like you have a little round belly. I just have like this plastic thing where you can just use the middle to put it on your sweater. And then same thing here, you can add pom-poms to it, or you can add those to it to make it look even more ridiculous. The last one I wanted to show you is actually pretty simple. It's $1 to add, you know, some paper clips onto your sweater so that you won't ruin your sweater. I mean, this one already has holes anyway. So that you won't ruin a sweater or have to buy one from the thrift shop. This is $1 and this is another $1. And I just wanted to keep the last one simple to show you that you can make something for $2. Heck, if you don't want to wear the headband, just $1. On a sweater that you already own and you don't have to mess it up, you can just put some safety pins and then take them off when the Christmas season is over. And you can keep adding to it, like you can even add this Christmas tree on there and just you can do so much to it. Add some more bows on the side. Again, I just wanted to keep it simple, like last minute you have a party to go to, throw on your favorite sweater, go to the dollar store, grab a Christmas decoration for $1, grab some safety pins and put it on, and that's it. It takes you 1 minute, 2 minute max to like actually put it on, and you are good to go for a Christmas ugly sweater party. You don't need to have any creative skills. You just need a Christmas decoration and some safety pins, and you can participate. This looks like I have a belly. If you decide to make the first Christmas sweater I showed you, which is the tree skirt, and the Christmas ugly sweater party is over, but you still have Christmas to go to, you can put it as a decoration under a plant. Since I don't have a big Christmas tree, I put my tree skirt down there and it looks pretty cute. I love it. Anyway guys, that's all I have for you today on ugly Christmas sweaters. Feel free to let me know which one was your favorite in the comments or what you'll be wearing for your ugly Christmas sweater. Hope this inspired you in some sort of way, and happy holidays. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great one.